YouTube, what's up? It's Jen. Oh, how I've missed you. I have been so incredibly busy. Nursing school starts in 2 days, and I've been busy with my dosage calculations course, which I'm going to do a separate video on that, but it ended very nicely, very well. So I'm excited about that, and my first skills lab is on Saturday, so I'm super excited. Today is Thursday, and I wanted to share with you, I finally got all of my textbooks that I needed, so I wanted to share that with you. I'm going to preface this video by saying, before I even applied to nursing, my nursing program, I watched so many nursing videos on YouTube, and everyone had this huge stack of books that were required for them. And then once I got in the program and started purchasing my books, I realized we weren't required to get a whole lot. I only had 2 bundles, which really is just one big textbook and then some software, 2 bundles to get, and then they had some recommended books. But I was surprised by how few books were actually required. So I actually thought I was like missing something, but apparently I'm not. But I'm going to show you what I got. First thing is, this was a required item. This is called DocuCare, and this is, I guess, where we learn about patient records, online record keeping for patients. So I got DocuCare. This is by Lippincott, Williams, and Wilkins, and I think it's not a CD, it's just like a access code once you open this. Oh, sorry. Secondly, that hurt. My school is implementing the ATI, which we all use for our TEAS test. Well, not all of us, but a majority of us, we use ATI when taking the TEAS test. They're actually implementing at my school using this every semester, using the ATI company to learn different things. They have a series of modules to do online. Like, see, this is ATI, Fundamentals for Nursing. So each semester, we have to get a new book and a new software program for each semester. So this is for Fundamentals of Nursing, ATI. This is the 8th edition. It comes with software as well. And I was surprised the cost of this. Oh my goodness. It's for the first semester, it's $353. Second semester, second, third, and fourth semester, it's $325.50. So quite expensive for such a little book. The most infamous book of them all, of course, Fundamentals of Nursing. And this is by Taylor Lillis Lynn. And it's about that thick. It's pretty heavy. As you notice, I already have my infamous flags on there. And I'm going to do a separate video about my first assignments that I've already gotten in school. Hasn't started yet. Yay for that. But here's the Fundamentals of Nursing. Along with that came Lippincott Course Point, which again is some online tools to help study. So that's exciting. Next, okay, so what I've shown you so far was required. So the ATI was required, Fundamentals of Nursing was required. And this Focus on Adult Health Med-Surg, Medical Surgical Nursing. And this is also by Lippincott, Williams, and Wilkins. It's about that thick. And this came with several little things, like the handbook. I think this is just like a quick synopsis of the big textbook. I'm not really sure, but that's that. Handbook of Laboratory and Diagnostic Testing. And that came as a bundle. And if I remember correctly, that was like $350, I believe. And that was it. As far as my required books, which seems crazy. I got Adult Health Medical Surgical book and Fundamentals of Nursing, ATI, and then a little some software programs. That was all that was required. However, I got supplemental books and recommended books just because, I don't know, I feel better doing that. I got Nursing 2015 Drug Handbook. This is like the Davis Drug Guide, same thing. So sorry, the lighting is horrible in here, but so that's that. Then I got Mosby's Dictionary of Medicine and Nursing and Health Professionals. This was not required, but got it anyway. And the next group of books I'm going to show you were actually given to me by my aunt, who is a nurse already. She's an oncology nurse, and so she kind of passed down her books to me. So these are all supplemental books, one of which being the Kaplan Review book, which I'm sure you've heard about. So I'm excited I don't have to buy that. Kaplan Review. This is the 8th edition. I know there are newer editions, but it works. Nursing Fundamentals, Reviews, and Rationales. This is, if you've heard of Fundamental Success, same sort of a thing. You can pull out the stuff by chapter, which is nice, and it comes with a CD as well. So, Fundamentals of Nursing. This is by Marianne Hogan, Donna Bowles, and Judy White. I have one for mental health, reviews and rationales, fluids, electrolyte, acid-base balance. And it looks like the price tag is still on here. They were $24.95, each one of them. Maternal newborn nursing. And medical surgical nursing. And this one's a bit bigger, if you notice the difference in size. And Saunders NCLEX Review. Yay, comprehensive review for NCLEX RN. And this is an older edition as well, but it's all the same. Edition 2. My aunt graduated from nursing school like 7-ish years ago. And then nursing care plans. And I take it back. This was actually required, nursing care plans. Not this edition because I had this older edition. We were required to get a nursing care plan book in our bookstore, which was like $60. But I'm going to see if I can get away with using this one since I already have it. This is the 5th edition by Gulanik Myers. And it looks like the price on this was $45.95 originally. So, that is all of my books. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing another video on my actual school supplies, my school uniform, and then dosage calculations. So go ahead and check those out. I'm going to probably post them tonight or tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys have any questions, as always, leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as we can. I hope your week is going well, and I wish you all the best of luck. See ya!